Honor will unveil its new smartphone,
which will hit the local and global markets. 4 will be a foldable smartphone with a super sleek design and a sharp display.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.
The smartphone will be foldable LTPO AMOLED touchscreen display and massive 6.92 inches display screen size with a refresh rate of 120Hz. The Honor Magic V4 will come with a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset in addition to the octa-core CPU. This phone will boost a massive 12 and 16 GB of RAM. The storage will be 256, 512 GB and 1 TB. Will be triple camera setup on its large 6000 mAh battery and with the support of fast charging.
See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.